It is important to name alternate individuals in your estate plan to prepare for unexpected events and ensure the smooth execution of your wishes. Key roles like personal representatives, agents under powers of attorney, successor trustees, and contingent beneficiaries should have alternates designated to safeguard against disruptions. Unexpected events, such as the sudden death or incapacity of a chosen representative, can greatly impact an estate plan. Having alternates in place ensures that there are reliable replacements ready to step in, preventing delays and complications in financial and healthcare decisions. There are multiple risks of having a single listed representative or beneficiary, including the potential for delays and disputes if that individual is unable to fulfill their role. Without alternates, asset distribution can become complicated, especially in cases of unforeseen death or changing family dynamics. Various life events, such as marriage, divorce, the birth or adoption of a child, and changes in financial circumstances can disrupt estate plans. Failing to update documents in these situations may lead to unintended consequences. Naming alternates in your estate plan is crucial to mitigate risks and ensure your wishes are carried out effectively. Regularly reviewing and updating your estate plan is essential to accommodate changes in circumstances or preferences and safeguard against disruptions and unintended outcomes.